motivational speech, yes? And Joon is going to introduce himself.
Okay, imagine if you got what you want every time. No struggle, no hard work, no challenges, no failures. Some of you might be saying, that would be great. But when something hard comes up in your life, you wouldn't know how to handle it because you have never experienced it before. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tejan Kid. I'm from Kids Public Speaking Mutiara Sentul Cheras, and today my motivational topic is struggle makes you stronger. If you didn't have failed, you cannot grow without struggle. You cannot develop strength without resistance, without challenging yourself, without struggle. If you didn't have failures, if you didn't have struggles, if you didn't have disappointments, you never improve. You were given this life because you are strong enough to live through it, because you are strong enough to thrive through it, You were given this. You are stronger than you think. You have survived all your challenges to this point, and you survive whatever that you're going to encounter in your life. So don't you give up now. You have a purpose in this world, and you'll only find it if you keep growing and keep growing. So struggle makes you stronger. Yes, you've heard it. Struggle makes you stronger in life. Thank you very much, everyone.
Okay, well done, Joon. Thank you for the motivational message. Struggles makes you stronger.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed. Yes, we all need to struggle. So a bit of struggle, it's okay. Yeah?
Just
struggle,
like what you see
yes.
now.
Correct. Thank you for the message, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, well done, Joon.
Your